Hello traders, so I'm watching gold, not trading it, I don't need to be honest with you. I did make a previous video to this and managed to get myself interrupted and then muffed it up. So, I'm really out of practice with these videos, but gold should really go up. If we get another green, now we've had the red, the grey, if we get another green TMA, I fully expect this to test this daily open line now. And these moves are massive. The gap to that daily open is gonna be monstrous. 53 points. So probably have a little poke around here because, but remember this is a 1 minute. It should go through like this, through this like a knife through butter, not cheese, as I said earlier. Whether that got published or not, I don't know, because so many outtakes, as it were. And I can't edit these videos because the editor messes up the quality of the videos and size is just ludicrous. So got to work around on that. But be interesting just watching this TMA. And this is why I keep saying to you guys, just screen time, because at the end of the day, this is a traffic light trading system. Get green for go, as it were, or red, and then obviously in longs, and red for no go. So you can see it trying to turn now. I'm looking at a way of getting in on the turn of colour, but that's a work in progress. So there is no need to sit in live rooms. There is no need, apart from what I want to do in the future, one-to-one coaching. That's changed colour now, so we should really be considering trading the break of the high of that little 1 minute candle. Apart from just showing you the basics, which I've been talking about on Twitter and some of these previous videos, really and truthfully, no mentor, coach, whatever you want to call it, should be dealing with people, charging them, should I say, for more than a month's work, 3 weeks, and pro rata, whatever you want to do. Some people trying to charge you $9 grand for a year's tuition, God knows what, all over the place. So one guy trying to charge $2,000 for an hour. Disgusting. Just for an hour's consultation. Just because he's got, I don't know, 100,000 followers or whatever, 40, 50,000 followers. It's just ludicrous. Who knows, he's probably paid for them anyway. Packs someone or other. So, just makes me sick. Anyway, so all you have to do is just, wait for the colour to change. Wait for, build your own rules. These tools, they don't repaint. So it's, all these people, all these liars, that's all they are. And losers that believe what other people say about indicators and stuff. You can't trade because they can't control their own discipline. And then they steal other people's stuff or just spread dishonest myths, trading myths. It's just, I'm speechless actually how bad the industry is now. It's a cesspit. So I'm going to, my mission is to just try and help traders. Honestly, that wind. Anyway, all of these levels were drawn because of various, start on the daily really, plus zoom in, should I say. Today's candle is green. So no, that's the weekly. I do apologise. This weekly candle is green, so we should really just be considering any shorts, any selling bearishness should really only be a pullback, and we can see that. And I'm guessing I drew that on the supply and demand there, actually, because I've done so many outtakes and retakes and stuff. My apologies, but you can see what it is there. And then we can also see we've got a daily 3CR, internal 3CR on the go. This pink thing here. It's down to Aaron Rebelant 3CR's settings, and I don't get too. I mean, he did a phenomenal job for me. So he didn't even ask me. This is we didn't actually converse about it. He just built it and did a better job than I could ever have instructed him to. So thank God he never actually did contact me. So this thing is just so amazing. But again, I'm not going to teach you how to set it up because you can all have it set up differently. You may think that sounds a bit of a cop out, but so be it. There is one of these levels I drew on a previous muffed up video. The confluence of the, because these manual, all these orange levels are manual. 3CR up, 3CR down. So that's a resistance, that's a support. And open and close, close of the candle. Then it gapped down actually for this daily candle, Monday. So that's a strong level. And what was happening was I was videoing, watching the news. We are now at 14:25. That's a handy little thing there. And 5 minutes to the US Open, stocks open. So I'll get back to the live chart. There you go. I mean, look, what can I say really? What can I say? Just copy my template and learn from it. And as I said before, I do intend to do some paid one-to-one mentoring, coaching, tutoring, whatever you want to call it. But I can't decide how to go forward with it really. We've got some old 2B levels here. Took a nice 15 pip trade there. Just a little bounce for numerous reasons, but I'm getting into tick charts and stuff like that. I mean, it had to bounce, and it bounced. I put H4 lines on here as well. That must be a daily one, that one. The one it bounced off I'm talking about. But they don't have the labels on. So, but there's a resistance high of a candle there. And that we will see. Oh, H1s, that's right. We've got this H1 supply and demand area, open and close. That's look how critical that is. Then the close of that H1 candle, which I was talking about, that's massive. Talking about the break, what will happen when it closes through that level. So this is the level here. I've highlighted it. And we've got the 3CR, a pullback, and this is a situation that the 3CR pulls back because it's accumulating. It's broken a resistance level and it's building up orders, but there's no orders around now. That's an interesting new thought actually. There can not possibly be any stop orders or buy sell orders or whatever, because it's just taken them all out. I've not really thought of that before. So these fast moves, well, they are relatively fast. Don't look particularly fast on that 1 minute, but these moves are because they've done the damage, if you like. That is just, I just love this daily open line. It is such a magnet to price. I didn't realise. And oddly enough, it was just by, like all of this stuff that I'm sharing and learning as I go, even after 20 years, every day, 2 or 3 new things a day, is due to screen time. There is no substitute. I mean, look how it used that line, that daily open. So anyway, I'm rambling, but this was nice. Took a little trade on that demo FTMO account again, so good to see. But just testing that thing out for a friend. It is actually for an ex-girlfriend that wants to get involved. So it's a cheap way to get involved if they actually pay you. But we shall see. But this thing and these, you know, once you learn open closes of candles, and the higher the time frames, the more powerful they're going to be, because, you know, I talk about them as battlegrounds. That's what they are. So this is a monster battleground, isn't it? If you think about it. I should put the weekly open on the charts. That's going to come. That is going to come on. Oh, what colour shall I do the weekly open? Don't know yet. Pink maybe. To my glorious colours. Anyway, I'm rambling. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.